Hello, my name Muhammad Fikri Tanjung, and today I'm going to present a topic titled Computer and Hardware. Computer are very important in our life today. We use them for studying, working, communicating, and entertainment. But have you ever thought about what makes a computer work? In this presentation, I will talk about computer and their hardware component in detail. Here is the outline of my presentation. 1. Introduction to computer. I will start with a short introduction about computer and their role in modern technology. 2. What is a computer? Then I will explain the definition of a computer and how it processes data and information. 3. Basic component of a computer. After that, I will describe the main element that make up a computer system. 4. What is hardware? Next, I will explain what hardware is and why it is essential for a computer. 5. Type, types of hardware. I will discuss the different type of hardware such as input, output, storage, and processing device. 6. The role of hardware in computing. I will explain how hardware support a computer operation. 7. Examples of common hardware device. I will give example of hardware device that we use in daily life. 8. Different between hardware and software. Then I will show how hardware and software are different but also depend on each other. 9. Importance of hardware in daily life. I will discuss how hardware help us in education, communication, and daily activity. 10. Future of computer hardware. I will share some idea about how computer hardware might develop in the future. Such a faster, smaller, and smarter device. 11. Finally, I will summarize the main point and share what we can learn from this topic. That is the flow of my presentation about computer and hardware. I hope this presentation can give you a better understanding of how computers work and how hardware play play an important role in technology. Thank you for attention. 1. Introduction computer. Computer are essential to in modern life that process information quickly and accurately, making tasks easier in education, business, science, and entertainment. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that process data according to a set of instructions. It can store, retrieve, and manipulate information to perform various tasks. Basic component of a computer. A computer consists of two parts. One, hardware, the physical component. Two, software, the program and data that tell hardware what to do. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the tangible physical component of a computer system. These include devices that you can touch, such, uh, such as the monitor, keyboard, and motherboard. Types of hardware. 1. Input device. Allow data entry, keyboard, mouse, scanner. 2. Output device. Display result, monitor, printer, speaker. 3. Storage device. Store information, hard drive, SSD, USB, flash drive. 4. Processing device. Handle data operation, CPU, GPU, motherboard. Next, the role of hardware in computing. Hardware perform the actual work in computing. The CPU process instruction, memory storage, data temporarily, and storage keep information permanently. Example of common hardware device. 1. Central Processing Unit CPU. 2. Monitor or display. 3. Keyboard or mouse. 4. Hard drive or SSD. 5. Printer or scanner. Different between hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of the computer, while software is the logical part. Hardware cannot function without software, and software cannot operate without hardware. Importance of hardware in daily life. Hardware is essential for communication, work, learning, and entertainment. Devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets really rely on hardware to function effectively. Future of computer hardware. The future of hardware includes advances in quantum computing, nanotechnology, and AI chips. This innovation will make devices faster, smaller, and more energy efficient. Consolation. Computer hardware form the backbone of modern technology. Understanding its component and function help us appreciate how digital systems work. Thank you.